Right there, it's good. So we just made it to the spot. I think we're gonna shoot somewhere like around here, use this bridge and some of that as the backdrop. So guess who just pulled up? We got Gabe from Car Lifestyles with the Kith M4. It's like a satin black party today. It's Gabe. What's up, buddy? The Vossen hoodie, okay. It's Justin. How do you like it?
It's dope. It's dope.
Sheesh. It's dope. Do you feel a little bit cooler when you pass in an M4 that's not a Kith M4?
A little bit, yeah. Yeah.
So we're about to go meet up with Gens OMGT3, me and Gabe, and let's go find him. So we just made it to the spot. I think we're gonna shoot somewhere like around here, use this bridge and some of that as the backdrop. We have MetLife Stadium behind me. There's Gabe from Car Lifestyles over there, and the two black beasts for now, and we're waiting for one more special car to pull up. And I don't know where it is, but we'll find it. Let me show you guys this Kith BMW. So it's got like special badging here. Comes in this stealth black. It's a M4 competition, and then check out these seats. They're all custom Kith embroidered. Look at that, with the custom emblem here. This is sick. Then it has a badge on the top, and it's got the Kith emblem right here too. Super sick car. Special car we're waiting for. It's a Subaru. No, I'm just kidding. It's actually coming right there. Here it is. Woo! Look at that thing. Oh my God. Yo! Yo, this thing looks sick. It looks like a freaking spaceship. Holy. Look at that. Wow. This. Look at that guy.
Bing bong.
GT3, baby. Remember when we were here when we shot your first GT3? How are you, buddy? Yeah, we're gonna make you a celebrity. Wow. My boy came with the boots to match. Yo. Woo. Oh my God. This thing is mean. Holy shit. Check it out. And it's manual. Wow. So we're repositioning the cars right now. We're gonna shoot facing this way. And we're gonna get the Porsche right in the middle and then the two cars on either sides. So here comes the Porsche. We're gonna put him directly straight. It's so nice to see your own car driving sometimes. We're gonna try to get them all three together. Right there, it's good. I am freezing. I can't feel my hands. We just finished shooting. GT3's over there. My car's here. We're gonna go get some food now because, dude, I can't feel my hands. But I think we got some fire. Check these things out. Like, they look so good. But we gotta go. We gotta go because I am freezing. You guys do not understand how cold it is outside. It's probably like 30 degrees, and I'm not made for this. Even though I'm Russian, I am not made for the this cold ass weather. So we're gonna go get food. Right now, we're going to go to Texas Roadhouse. Let's go, Texas Roadhouse. Pulled up to Texas Roadhouse with the 3 black beasts. Time to get some lunch after a freezing photo shoot. These things look sick together, huh? Alright guys, so we just finished dinner, and today is pretty much over. I think there's some really shitty lighting in here, but what's it called? Let me see if I can make the light better. Wow, that did absolutely nothing. So I just got home from shooting the 3 cars, and I think we got some really great shots. I want to say thank you so much, guys, for watching the vlog. I'm sorry if any parts of it were boring. I promise you the next vlogs are going to get better and better. I'm going to try to upload a vlog once or twice a week. I can't wait to see the responses that I get from this vlog. Please leave a comment below for things that you want to see on future vlogs. And if you could please like and subscribe, I greatly appreciate it. It will help the channel. Thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on the next one.